I forgot to mention the Valance. That's what I'm calling it. I don't know a better name, but so I took this in the house and imagine this is the closet doorway. So it's going to go in something like that, but the walls are all white, so this really stands out. So it turns out Amy likes it, and this one's ready to, I did sand it a little bit more, so it should fit really nice. And then I cut the pieces for this one here, so this one we can start drilling the holes here and then sanding this one. This one's ready for oil, so this one can be all oiled, and it'll be fastened up in with 2 screws right here. So really that's all it's going to be. It's just for looks, but it does look pretty cool. So, and then this one will go in the other side. And then here, we'll go over this later, but here are I have some other ideas for the kitchen area. And we'll go over what this is going to be. So, got lots of stuff going on. I'd like to have multiple projects. Okay, let's get to work.